Alright, let's put on some tie rod braces. Now 3/16 felt a little loose in there, but this 5mm fits perfectly, so I'm going to go with that 5mm. Okay, I got everything pulled apart to make it easier while I'm down there, using a 5mm. Alright, let's install some tie rod braces. Broncbuster. Alright, that's where we're going at with those tie rod braces, and I understand I need to upgrade the steering rack too, but this is just temporary, well, not temporary, but the first upgrade for me on the steering rack. I found with the first one, if you just put them on loose, then you could spin around and tighten around the rest of the way. Alright, just get them on there loose, and then you can flip it back around, and then tighten them the rest of the way from the back. Alright, there's one side all installed. So I found that, just get them started with this guy, and then use that in combination with that to finish her off to make it pretty easy. Granted, it would be easier if you took your tire off to do it, but I'm lazy. Alright, all done on both sides. Took about 30 minutes. All done. Alright, super easy install. It took about 15-20 minutes or so. Used a 1/4" wrench with a couple different pieces over here. It was a 5mm, I believe. Anyhow, quick, easy install. I know I've got to upgrade other steering rack components, but this is step one.